Hello, YouTube. Let's start talking about Giga Metals Corporation. They had a spike this morning. The day's range today was $1.05, a dollar and a nickel, to $1.84. So if we look at the big chart, and let's not do a month. Oh, now it wants to readjust the page, the ads. Just do a day. Right here at the first, we did a spike. Now, actually, there was some pre-market trading, so there's on before that. If I was in E-Trade Pro, it would be showing the pre-market trading. But the spike at the open of the market, it shot up. And then it would come back down. So, from the best I can tell, the reason for this spike was off news, off social media. People tweeting this article that Tesla reportedly in talks to buy low carbon nickel from Giga Metals. Now this stock had also been there was a trade halt. They put a stop on this stock and they opened it up this morning. So right out of the gate, this stock had a spike. What, 42%? Yeah. 42, almost 43% spike. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, yeah, it's off Tesla. Tesla is going to do business with them for creating low carbon batteries for their cars. So this will be this is like a green stock that you could buy into. But I'm not suggesting anybody buying this stock. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something I do. This is a little hobby that I do. But this is my opinion. And this was a nice little spike this morning. I was in this morning. I saw the pre-market that was already going up. And right out of the gate, I bought in and then I sold. I didn't quite go all the way up to the high today, but yeah, 184. I didn't get all the way up to the high. I got a little nervous about it because you never know. I mean, if people got up here and hit the high and you didn't sell, you're stuck down here now. Now, it's not to say that it won't spike again. I imagine with this deal with Tesla, this stock will spike again. So that's a pretty good, that's a pretty nice little spike this morning. Again, if we go back to look at the summary. The day's range was $1 and a nickel to 184.13. So that's a pretty good jump. Okay, let's show you some E-Trade Pro action. This is a replay of this morning when I was looking at the stock. HNCKF Giga Metals Corporation. You can see the volume weighted average VWAP. Sharp climb right here. This is when the spike was going on. It started right at pre-market. It started going up. The volume started moving. See, there's a lot of buys right here. And it got choppy, going on up a little bit right before it dropped later. Right a little bit after the opening, it started dropping again. But you can see right here, it's already hit 170. But you see these two sides is staying green. That means these people that's buying, the buyers, they're taking the ask. You stay in green. It gets a little more defined as it goes on. So people start taking the ask. There's some people did drop the price right here. But it'll go back green here in a second. There you go. So it got a little choppy. It was up and down, up and down, up and down. So they're seeing more green than you are red. You'll see a couple. So you can see where the lines go up and down here. That's where it's getting choppy. There's some people on the ask taking the bid to get out of the stock. Some people on the bid that's wanting in the stock is taking the ask. When it goes green, the people's taking the ask to get into the bid. But yeah, it's a pretty good morning for Giga Metals Corporation. I'm sure some people's made some money, and with that deal with Tesla, I'm expecting this stock's going to go up again. There's going to be some more spikes. There's going to be more news. It's going to be in the news for a little bit about the new technology for making the batteries. So thank you for checking the video out. And here, wait a minute, I may show you something else. Okay, here's another tool that I use. This is eTrades and MarketCaster. This is a web start application. If you're not tech savvy, it's not the easiest thing to get started. So if some people that's using eTrade would like to get this up and running, I'll create a video to tell you how to get this set up. So you have to, as of Java 1.8, you have to install an open source product. You either install ICE based on the version of the Java that you got, or you can install Open Web Start, which I probably recommend. If you use the latest version of Java, I'd use Open Web Start. That would be the best tool to add. But let's run this for a little bit. So you can tell at a glance, it'll show the price changes at a glance on your watch list. And you can keep an eye on the stocks that you keep an eye on, and you can actually configure it to keep the top gainers up on the top, so you know which ones to jump into. Or, if you need to sell real quick, or if, there's opportunities coming up. So it'll tell you the losers, and it'll tell you the ones that's not even moving as well. But this is a neat little tool. This is one of the tools that I use when I'm trading. And like I said, it's not obvious how to get this thing running. You just kind of have to know a little bit about Java. And then I can create a video to tell how to do that if anybody's interested. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a good night. This is Jerry D in Tennessee on September 14th, 2020. Thanks for checking me out. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.